Finally out of school. Not a cold start. Still good though. So as you bros can see, different things are going on right now. One, I'm like kind of in the middle of nowhere. Two, not wearing a hat and got a haircut. And three, it is really windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. And it's starting to rain, so that really sucks. So with those things out of the way, 3 weeks ago I made a POV video of me just driving around. You bros really seem to enjoy it and ask for more, so here you go, bros. This is a modified straight pipe 370Z, and today we're gonna take her out on the road. So let's go ahead and get out of here. There's a bunch of cars going by, and they really don't like the fact that I'm just in the middle of the street, because I mean, why not? Why not? I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I may or may not have spent the past 5 minutes trying to find the GoPro. It was so annoying. Like, I had it with me, and then next thing I know, I don't have it. It was like all the way down there. Oh god, there's a bus coming. Oh no. I did that pole, guys, with the AC on. Wow, I gotta turn that off. So yeah, how are you guys doing today? Honestly, the first thing I want to say is thank you so much for the support on the channel recently. We've really been doing really good. Every video that I put out has done really good, so thank you guys so much for that. And also, if you guys have any specific video ideas you want to see, let me know in the comments below. It's always good to have a bunch of ideas to choose from, so if you guys want to help out, let me know in the comments below. Oh my goodness, this is the part where I hate the manual right here. Traffic! Ah! Like Stratman says, this for all the haters and the doubters. It's so loud. I really want a new exhaust though. Let me know, guys, what exhaust should I get? And actually, mod wise, I do have a surprise for you guys. I know I said it last video at the very end. If you guys didn't stay till the very end of the last video I uploaded, you don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. I bought intakes for the car, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Not the short ram, the ones that don't give horsepower. Like, I bought actual cold air intakes, like the ones that go under into the bumper. So expect a video on that. That's all. I'm not even gonna say any more about that. That's a video, like just a video separate from this. Ooh, it's popping a lot today. We gotta go. All right, not doing that anymore. What's good there? He just revs at me. I'm pretty clean 350 actually. Yo, did you guys hear my transmission? What the heck? See, that's why I don't do first gear pulls. If every time you guys ask me why I don't race or do pulls, that's exactly why, right there. Thank God it's working good now, but it just does not like me jamming in like into it, guys. It really doesn't. Why, I don't really know, but you gotta act normal. I'm about to go in 6th gear, put my cruise control on, and just normally. Yep. Actually, I went too fast. Oh god, no, my exhaust too loud. No, can't make noise. Oh god, I don't know where the downshift or say. Oh my gosh. Let me downshift real quick. Alright, there we go. Hopefully they hear that. If this is California, 1000%, 1000% sure I'm gonna get pulled over. Well, if I was over there. I feel bad for you guys. If you guys live over there where the exhaust laws are horrible, prayers out to you guys. Really. Actually, I want to go ahead and take the highway for you guys. Let's do it. Cause you bros seem like to not believe me how bad the drone is. to his special day for you guys. If any of you guys ever wonder what YouTubers look like when they do like POV driving, yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. Regarding mods for this year, guys, that's pretty much what I have in mind. I think I'm gonna go more performance, or just buy a little more performance parts for the Z, and then just go ahead and start doing more cosmetics. I think I'm just gonna go ahead, full bolt-ons, tune, stop right there, then do a little more cosmetics. We'll see though. I'm not 100% sure. Right now I'm just telling you what I'm thinking about doing. Look at that guy in the Jaguar just taking off. Ooh, that sounded pretty cool. And right there's another cop. That's why you can't really do anything in my city. There's so many cops. It's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right here because I can't remember the last time I parked somewhere like this with Brittany, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick picture for Instagram. This POV vlog turned into me walking so I can get a good time lapse for the video. So if you guys enjoy that time lapse, it was right over there probably. And if you guys didn't get the time lapse, then I kind of failed at it, so sorry. All right guys, like 30 minutes later, I think we got a pretty decent, not the one I wanted to get, but I think we got a pretty decent time lapse. Also, it's like really weird filming in public because people are like staring at you weird, like why is this guy talking to a camera? But at the same time, it's kind of cool, honestly. Prettiest. Guys, I don't know if this is the Macan or the, yeah, it's a Macan. I love the Porsche Macans. It's so sick. But here's what we came from. My own Porsche. But yeah, who's excited for me to start doing engine modifications to this car? I know, bros. It's been a long time. It's been a long time in the wait, but we're getting to it. We're getting to it. I wish I could do a pull for you guys, but I don't want to mess up my... Did I just do a pull in front of a cop? Yo! Is that a cop? No, I don't think that's a cop. Oh, I'm getting... No, it's not a cop. Oh my god, I thought that was a cop. That was so bad. I guess I can do pulls from first. Can't really redline and then slam it right into second. I can kind of get close to redline and then slowly put it in second. When I was young and in Cuba, my favorite car used to be the Corvette and the Porsche. I used to play Need for Speed Most Wanted like all day. Because, oh god, we were privileged enough to have a computer in Cuba, and that's the only game that I had. Most Wanted and GTA 3. And I'll never forget, guys, my two favorite cars, Porsche and Corvette, all the time. I wonder what people think when I downshift next to them. I feel like they think I'm revving at them on purpose. I bet they're like, why is this guy revving at me? I want to show you guys just how loud this car is inside of parking garages. Like, I just have to show you guys. So loud. It sounds so good. So good, man. Intersections. This is probably my least favorite thing to do. It's so scary. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, go, go, bro, go, bro. Dang. Intersections are so scary. Definitely got those kids' attention over there. He's pointing over here. With all that said, guys, I'm just gonna do the outro right here because I'm probably gonna go ahead, just go home, eat, do a little bit of homework, then head to school. So yeah, bros, with that said, stay tuned because for Brittany, there's a lot of good things coming for her. I almost forgot, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe button. And if you want to know when I upload, notification button. And yeah, there's people staring at me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.